we present a world premiere of our Aroma Imaging Sensor, a technology that converts smell into visual data. What you are seeing now are real-time, time-lapse images of different chemical gases, such as benzene, ethanol, acetone, and ammonia, interacting with our sensor. Each gas creates a unique visual odor fingerprint. For the first time, you can literally see the world of smell. We believe this is the highest resolution digital odor imaging ever demonstrated, turning invisible chemical information into visual patterns. This technology augments new unique chemical dimension to AI systems, for vision language action models to robotics and machine learning. By embedding chemical perception at the edge, it learns physical world differently from conventional systems and models, becomes smarter over time, and reacts faster. With much richer context and dimension of the real world, it learns through sensor. This is only a glimpse into the future of digital olfaction. Thank you for watching.